Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can simply delete a slide in Google Slides. So if you want to delete a slide, just click on it, right click, and then press cut right here. If you want to do it quicker, just click on the slide and press backspace. If you want to delete multiple slides in a row, just click on the first one, then go all the way to the last one that you want to delete, hold shift and click on it. You'll select all of them and then press backspace. If you want to delete only the first one, third one and the fifth one, just click on the first one, then hold Command or Alt if you are on Windows, press the third one and then the fifth one. Now as you can see, it only selected the slides that you clicked on and skipped the ones that you don't clicked. Then press backspace. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.